Hey guys, welcome back. And today I do have this 2022 Kiaforte, and obviously they do have two different wiper blades, and I'm going to replace them. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do is cycle the key on, and then cycle the key off, press and hold the miss button, and your wiper blade is on the service mode. Alright guys, so that's pretty simple, right? So all you have to do to put them back is just simply cycle the key on, and that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.